Why settle for less when you can earn $566 lifetime commissions as a Platinum member? Master Affiliate Profits is the blueprint for success in affiliate marketing. If you're looking to not just earn but thrive in the world of affiliate marketing, you're in for a treat. Get ready to unlock a new level of affiliate success with Master Affiliate Profits. Now, what makes Master Affiliate Profits so unique? Well, imagine earning a whopping $566 in commission with their newest profit affiliate system. Yes, you heard it right. But here's the beauty of it. This isn't just for the seasoned affiliate marketers. It's newbie-friendly too. MAP is your blueprint to affiliate success. The free training and tools inside of MAP are proven time-tested strategies that have already produced millions of dollars in commissions. No stone is left unturned as we cover over a dozen of the most profitable affiliate marketing tactics used by experts in today's modern marketplaces. The system markets your leads for life. Your affiliate link is hard-coded into every promotion, every email, and every offer they click on. Forever. So, I highly recommend that you check out Master Affiliate Profits now and see how this can be the gateway to $566 commissions daily, with a newbie-friendly approach, an exclusive Facebook group with great support from the founders, and a revolutionary list-building power. It's high time to elevate your affiliate game. Head over to the link below to get started on your journey to affiliate success with Master Affiliate Profits. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.